Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through my miniature Rick and Morty haul. Another Rick and Morty haul video. I'm going to start off with, I'm going to be unboxing this Kirkland Meeseeks, the red version of Meeseeks. Rick and Morty galactic plushies. So this is the Crambog, I think it's called Crambog, I think he's called, I can't quite pronounce his name, Cramboculus Michael. A version of Morty. This is what he looks like at the front. Then at the back, he's got a little tail. This is what he looks like on the back. This was from a miniature blind bag. Toxic Rick. Gonna go ahead and open up, unbox Kirkland Meeseeks. This way it looks at the front, the side, 661. So you could get hologram Rick clone, Death Crystal Morty, Teddy Rick, Wasp Rick. Oh, look at his hair, the paint job. And this is the stand at the bottom. I'll just leave that there for now actually. He looks like. A little paint job. It's a little bit. So this is the scale of him compared to a Rick and Morty plush. I'm going to be putting the links where I bought these from in the description box. Nice and soft, it's a different texture. Oh, look, the eyes, Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my face page for more content.